Unbelievable. My learners of math, we are now in module 2 lesson 20. Check this out. Now again, we're going to divide straightforward and we're going to check with multiplication. But notice now that none of the numbers, the whole number does not have a 10, which means a 0, and the part that we're going to make doesn't have a 0 in it either. So let's look at step 1. Step 1 says you have to estimate. So we're going to estimate, and I'm just going to write the word estimate. How many times the 32 can go into 84? So we're going to do multiples of that. 32, that will be 32 equals 32 times 1. If we double this, 32 times 2, which will be 64. The number that we need to get closer to is 84. So 32 times 3, that will equals 3 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9, 96. So this number will not work. Okay, once we know how close can we get to the actual number, we can now divide. Step 2, divide. Okay, now let's copy our division. Remember, you always write the first number. 84 divided, this is the divided sign, by 32. As we just discovered with our estimation, we know that 32 goes into 84 2 times. So we're going to multiply that 2 times 32. See, we already have the answer here. 2 times 32 equals 64. So we're going to write 64 there. And the remainder is 0, 2. So R20, that's the remainder. Okay, our next step is going to be to do step 3. Step 3 means check by multiplying. Multiply to check. Okay, so what are we multiplying? Well, the quotient times the divisor. 2 times 32, and we already have the answer here like we did in the beginning. Remember, it's 64. So this number, this has to match this number, and it's not the same number. Why? Because we have a remainder. We have to add the remainder to the 64, and that becomes 84. And now this 84 matches this number, which means our division is correct. All right, let's try one more problem, and this is going to be a word problem. A square foot bathroom has a length of 13 feet. What is the width of the bathroom? Okay, so, let me see. I think I read this incorrectly. A 91 square foot bathroom has a length of 13 feet. So now, this is very important. I love to do this because it helps a lot. I like to make pictures of what I'm looking at in mathematics because it's fun and because it helps you see the problem better. So the length is 13. So from here to here is 13 what? 13 feet. And it says that the whole bathroom is 91 square feet. 91 square, this number 2 means square feet. Now they say, what is the width of the bathroom? So the width is going to be from here to here, and we don't know that. So if you pay attention, we have a hole. What is the hole? The hole is 91, and we have a part. Part of the hole is 13. So this is our division. So now again, we're going to do step 1. And our step 1 is estimate. Estimate how many times that 13 can go into 91. So we can do multiples of 3. We can do 13. If we double 13, it's going to be 26. If we triple that number, it's going to be 39. If you triple that number, if you quadruple that number, it's going to be 49, and 3 is 52. I better do multiplication now because I'm getting behind here. So 52 plus 13 will be 65. And 65 plus 13 will be 78. And 78 plus 13 will equal 88. Plus 3 equals 91. And now I'm here. Look, that's the number that I'm searching for. So now I know that. How do I know this number? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I know that 13 multiplied by 7 equals 91. Okay, now here, this is what's going to help us solve the division. So now let's go to step number 2. Step 2. And step 2 is divide. Okay, let me get to it. So divide is going to be, the division was 91 divided by 13. And we say how many times the 13 goes into 91. See right here? And our answer is the factor in the multiplication. The answer is 7. Now you multiply. 7 times 3 equals 21. You carry 2 over. 7 times 2, 1 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. So we should have a remainder of 0. Okay? So far, so good. Let's check to see if this is true. We're going to do step number 3, which means check or prove that it is correct by multiplying. Okay, so now let's write this down. To prove, we're going to multiply the quotient times the divisor. 7 times 13. And see, we already have the answer here. It's 91. And this, my friends, it's checking division with multiplication. Signing out your coach. The best coach you will ever have in your life. Well, at this point, have a great day.